What's up, everybody? I just wanted to make this video to point out the clicking noise that I'm hearing on my Sony Bloggie Touch. Take a listen. Now, not all Sony Bloggie Touches do this. Now I'm going to zoom in just to show you something. The zoom is pretty nice for a digital zoom, in my opinion. But that clicking noise is terrible. Now, one thing I did notice, and I want to point this out as well, when you're holding the Sony Bloggie Touch the way it's intended to be held, horizontally, with the record button on the right hand side, on the top left hand side there are 3 holes. This is these are the microphone holes. Now I'm going to cover those up with my finger and listen to what happens with that clicking sound. That was all 3 holes being covered up. Let me do it again. All 3 holes being covered up. Let me try and do 2 holes. That's 2 holes. That's 1 hole covered up. No holes covered up. And one more time, all the holes covered up. The design of this camcorder inherently make it it's very easy to put your fingers on top of those microphone holes, making the sound even worse. However, without your finger on those holes, listen, it's terrible. Love the zoom, love the quality, love the size. Unfortunately, this one's defective. Luckily, I bought it from the good folks down there at Best Buy, and I'm sure they'll be able to help me out. Anyway, just wanted to point that out. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this video answered some questions. Have a great day.